friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to off vibrate on touch in oppo A31. So let us start our video. Firstly you have to move on the setting icon. After that you will see many options. Scroll up some more, and here you will see sound and vibration option. Click on sound and vibration. After that scroll up some more, and here you will see vibrate on touch, which is already on. So firstly turn off vibrate on touch. It means that it doesn't produce vibration now when you touch on your screen. I will show you. Here you will see when we touch on our screen, it doesn't produce any vibration because our vibrate on touch will be off. Vibration is not seen, only feel. So I will feel. I doesn't feel vibration because our vibrate on touch will be off. So I hope this video helps you to off vibrate on touch in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.